This one's in pretty rough shape. Got hit in this corner. And my gaps are all looking very nice and even. I have the bed off of a 2011 F150 here. This one's in pretty rough shape. Got hit in this corner. Completely demolished the bedside as well as all of the inner structure, and this corner is completely crushed. So I'm going to replace the bedside as well as all of these inner structure pieces, which I have right here. You'll be able to see that more once I get it cut apart. This thing actually has quite a bit of rust on it too, so hopefully I don't have any surprises, but I'll get the outer side cut out and then we'll see what we have. So I'm getting this one all fit together, and I wanted to fit up all this inner structure first, make sure it's sitting where it's supposed to. And you can see here, my gaps are all nice and even. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the tailgate and the bedside back off, and I'll have to take off this outer piece of structure first to get a couple welds on the inside piece. Then I'll put that back on and I'll get all that inner structure welded in. I'm gonna go ahead and do a final fitment on this outer bedside now. Alright, I have a final fitment on this one, and my gaps are all looking very nice and even. This one actually they actually have me bond it and use the resistance spot welder. But unfortunately, I don't have enough adhesive here to finish this up today, so I'm gonna wait till some more adhesive shows up tomorrow, and then I will get this bonded and welded on. In the meantime, I also have this side of the bed that is also getting repaired. Has a big dent in it right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working that out now. So I am still waiting for my panel bond adhesive to show up so I can get this bonded on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this side taped up and primed up. Then hopefully by the time that's done, I will have my adhesive and I can finish this side up.